Hello everyone. Today we are starting a topic implementation of DoD.NET. DoD means the connection established between application and data source. That's why we need first our database software like SQL, MySQL. We are using SQL Server 2008. Okay, is an SQL Server Management Studio. Open it. Okay. After opening of this application, they have server name. Copy this because we are needing a server name. Okay, we are write down your server name. Okay, it is our server name. Then press OK, means press connected. Okay, we need a separate database for our application. Okay, then right click on database, new database. Okay, then enter your database name like ABC or any test वगैरह. I already created one table, one database table. Here is a test. Okay, test. Therefore, I not created it again. When you enter a name here, once you enter name, then click on OK button. Directly OK button. Then your database has been created successfully. If any error occur, comment me or send a comment in section box. Then once you created database, goes in table. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, once you created database, then click on this plus sign, then the hierarchy can open, then click on table, new table. Okay, here column name. Okay, after clicking a new table, the one hierarchy open. I show it again. Okay, right click, new table, give your column names and data types and the null type. Okay, to use this previously showing the application. In practical 38E. Okay, in we are retrieve data and show data on our web page. Okay, you remember this. We are creating the student ID, name, course and date. When you click on result, they show all data on label. I showing you it. साढ़े सात. Okay. Okay. In which we are creating some values. Okay. When we click on result button, it show all result on same page. In which data are not stored in database, they are only the showing a data on same page. Okay, now we are add all data on database. Okay, there are 4 component: ID, student name, course name and date of birth. Okay, goes to database. I already created one table, DOB student. Okay, I'm showing you design. ID, in which varchar 10, name varchar 50, cname varchar 50, and dob varchar 50. Okay, in which we write manually, automatically new hierarchy can open. Okay, then save it, then the table was created. Okay, remember the table name stud and database name test. Okay, database name is test and table name is stud. Okay, close it, go to our database. We want to add data after a click on this method button click. Okay, then first comment it or delete it. We comment it and we write data for connection. Before I write code for connection, you must to add a connection string. Okay, connect our project with database, then go to server explorer. Okay, in which the third option, connect to database, click, in which, okay, here asking for data source, my Microsoft SQL Server, SQL client. Okay, in which they are asking our server name. So our server name is admin SQL Express. Okay, previously when we want to log in SQL Server, they're showing the server name. Okay, if you know, then go to SQL Server login screen, they're showing SQL server name. Okay, okay, here enter our database name. Our database name is test. Check connectivity is proper or not. Test connection, click on test connection. We have already created, we're showing this also. Okay, name, connection name, click on connection, they are successfully connected. We are already created this, therefore previous are not working. Okay, click on OK, right click, goes on property, right click on our connection string, goes on property. Okay, then at right side or any property bar is open, click on connection string, copy and paste here because we need connection string. Okay, it is our connection. We only the copy this string. Okay, we already have code for this. Okay, in our manual or in a comment section, I will drop this code, copy and paste. Okay, here already we created same code. Okay, here we are use @ symbol. If any error occur, simply use @ symbol to proper notation of our database name. Okay, in which first is connection string, SQL connection, con SQL connection, new SQL connection, our connection string, then open that connection, con dot open. Okay, after that we want to fire the command, therefore SQL command cmd new SQL command, in which after that command dot connection means we are connect with our database connection. Okay, then our connection string, okay, our command string, insert query, insert dot, insert into stirred values, our values. Okay, then execute the query. After successful execution, they have script to showing our data is successfully saved. After successfully save, our screen become, our text box become empty. Therefore, we are writing last, second last 4 lines. After that, we are closing the connection. After once we enter the data, we close the connection. Okay, save it. And build it. Okay, add data 1, same data, Rama, WP. Okay, is that our data is successfully added. Okay, okay, now we want to see which data are uploaded. First stop it, otherwise they are showing error in SQL. Stop, goes to our database, goes in table, right click on table, show table data. Okay, we are all wait. Okay, there is some problem in the last query. Only we are right. Okay, only we write dob dot. We not getting text. Okay, text. Okay, save. Delete it. Okay, data is not deleting because some problem in our queries. Okay, okay, no issue. Well, again run it again. Okay, 01, name is Krishna, course is C language, 20 May. Okay, okay, is that added successfully. Goes to database, pause it, right click on student table, show data, Krishna, roll number 1, Krishna, C language, 20 May 2000. Okay, I added this file in comment section.